Hello lovely Year 6, I hope you're all well. I'm here to talk to you about your maths for week 2 for term 4. And you're going to be continuing to work on statistics, so it builds on the work that you did last week. But this week you are going to be looking at a couple of objectives which are new for Year 6, so I really would recommend, where there are video links within the work, make sure that you do watch those to help you with the new learning. On Monday, you're going to be thinking about pie charts. Now, a pie chart is just another way of presenting information, of presenting data. And it's all about thinking about what fraction of the pie chart represents each category. Now, the absolute most important thing with a pie chart is that somewhere it will tell you the total represented by the pie chart. So in this case, this pie chart represents 40 children. And what that means is that if we look, for example, at this yellow part, so these are the children that said they preferred hamsters, we can see that that is half of the pie chart. And because the whole pie chart represents 40, we know that that part must represent 20 children. If we look at the red section, which we can see is a quarter of the pie chart, we know that a quarter of 40 is 10, so we know that 10 children chose a parrot as their favourite animal. So really important to look first of all for the total which is represented by that pie chart, especially when you have some problems which involve you comparing pie charts. On Tuesday, you're going to do some more work on pie charts, but this time not fractions, but percentages. So in this case, we can see the pie chart. Again, we would look straight away for what the whole pie chart represents. And in this case, it represents 60 children. So if I want to find out how many children chose pink as their favourite colour, I know that that's 10% of 60. So I need to find 10% of 60 to find out how many children that is. And as I've popped on the screen, remember, when we're finding percentages, use those building blocks, those 10%, 5%, 50%, 25%, those building blocks that help us to find the answer most efficiently. Now on Wednesday, you're going to be working on finding the mean. And this is something that's cropped up a little bit before. It's something that you might have used in science. And what we mean by the mean is what's often called the average. And to find the mean of a set of data, what we need to do is we need to add up all of the numbers and then we divide them by how many numbers there are. So if we were trying to work out the mean number of eggs laid by the hens, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. So we would add up all of these numbers together, and that gives us 35. And then we would divide it by 7 because there are 7 pieces of data that we've added together. And so the mean number of eggs would be 5. So on Wednesday, you're going to have some different activities practicing finding the mean. Now on Thursday, there's no particular math set because it's World Book Day, and I know that your teachers are going to be setting you a whole load of different activities linked to reading and books to carry out on Thursday. If you want to still do some math, then obviously you can always log on to Mathletics and have a go at some activities on there. And on Friday, as always, you're going to finish with your arithmetic. So as always, I've tried to give you a combination of fluency tasks and problem solving, so just give it a go. As I said earlier, make sure you do watch any video tutorials which are there as part of the daily lessons, and just give everything your best shot. We will come back and touch on this when we're all back in school to make sure that we've understood. So the only other thing to say is that I'm really looking forward to seeing you all back in school very soon. So have a good week, keep working hard, and I will see you soon.